Hey you guys, welcome to Chopbusters. Today we will show you some amazing tools that will surely blow your mind. But before starting, we have a request. If you're new to our channel, then please subscribe. Press the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon, so you can get notifications from our upcoming videos. Let's begin. Klein Hybrid Pliers J2158CR. Strip, cut, twist, shear and crimp with one tool. With full length, induction hardened knives and high leverage design, these hybrid pliers provide more cutting power on hard wire. It easily strips 10 to 14 AWG solid and 12 to 16 stranded wire. The wide knurled head easily grabs and twists wires. Convenient holes for shearing. 6 to 32 and 8 to 32 bolts. Plus a crimper for non-insulated connectors, lugs and terminals make this a must-have tool for your bag. Strip, cut, twist, shear and crimp with one tool. Wide knurled plier head easily grabs and twists wires. Full-length induction hardened knives for more cutting power. Crimps non-insulated connectors, lugs and terminals. Full-length induction hardened cutting knives for hard wire. Dual material journeyman grips are more comfortable and last longer than other handles. Wiha e-screwdriver speedE 2. Several fastenings per day, hundreds of fastenings per week. Professional craftspeople invest a great amount of time and energy in recurring fastening tasks. The resulting pain in wrists is the body natural's reaction. Thanks to the electric drive of the e-screwer speedE 2, joints and tendons are protected, especially during continuous use. In addition, the required time is reduced to 1/3. An extra highlight of the speedE 2 is the integrated material function. Sensitive fastenings, for example, plastic socket covers, must not be tightened too hard or the material will be damaged. In such cases, the speedE 2 automatically switches off at 0.4 nm and gives the user full control to carefully carry out the final fastening by hand. If there are fastening tasks that require more force, the second generation speedE offers the option of increasing the electric force to 1.0 nm via a sliding switch. The color of the slim bit serves as an aid for adjusting the correct force level to the respective application. The red slim bits with the smaller profiles are used in the red slide position, while the yellow power slim bits with the larger profiles indicate that in this case, the more powerful yellow slide position can be used. STANLEY DYNAGRIP wrench. The STANLEY Twin-Tech ratcheting wrench is the perfect solution for the homeowner or do-it-yourselfer who wants to be prepared to take on any challenge around the house without a major financial investment and without needing to dedicate the space and weight required to store a full-on ratchet set. Additionally, the STANLEY Twin-Tech adjustable ratcheting wrench review proves this to be a great holiday gift for professionals. The tool combines 26 sockets and a ratchet in one hand tool, with the quick adjust dial. Each head features a reversible ratcheting socket on a lightweight and durable composite handle. The wrench also has the flexibility to work with hex, star, square, 12-point, eyebolt or even rounded hex fasteners. The tool dials to whatever size you need within the limitations and is easy to operate. The quick tap at the base of each dial allows you to quickly change from forward to reverse. I can see this tool saving the day when you need to loosen a strip bolt or rounded nut. But the bulkiness of each head may reduce the ability to get to said troublesome fastener. FiberFix Repair Wrap. FiberFix Repair Wrap is 100 times stronger than duct tape. It's easy to use and bonds to most surfaces. Simply dip the FiberFix in water, wrap the broken item, And after 10 minutes, FiberFix hardens like steel. What's in the box? FiberFix rolls, gloves, vinyl strip, sandpaper applications pipes, handles, hoses, automotive, frames, furniture, appliances, yard tool, sport equipment, etc. Easily seal off water leaks in hoses or small pipes. FiberFix Repair Wrap is rated to hold 60 psi of water pressure. FiberFix Repair Wrap combines industrial strength fiber and specialized resin into a wrap that hardens like steel and provides a permanent fix. Simply dip the wrap in water to activate the resin. Wrap around what you need to fix, and 10 minutes later it is cured. Ares 70073 3-piece Impact Universal Joint Set. The Ares Impact Universal Joint Set features an innovative ball design that distributes torque loads evenly over greater surface area, enabling an improved action range of motion for easier access to hard-to-reach areas with significantly enhanced strength and life over traditional sockets. Made from high-strength premium chrome moly steel with a manganese phosphate coating to resist corrosion, these universal joints are designed for use with all cordless electric and pneumatic impact wrenches and are laser etched for easy identification. Spring-loaded detent balls securely latch and the through hole in the drive and locks onto the drive tang, so you can work securely and safely even in tight spots. Made of high-strength premium chrome moly steel with a corrosion-resistant manganese phosphate coating, these universal joints feature laser etching for easy identification and meet and exceed ANSI ASME standards. So, these were some amazing tools. Hope you like them. If you do, please like the video. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care.